Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for this video I will bring you to the Tapos Gate Tower 1 here in Cebu Business Park. And this is a mixed development residential, and I am now in the residential lobby. I will tour you with this because I'm going to check the penthouse. We have the bedrooms at the penthouse, and this one is our concierge, and this one is the lobby area of this Tapos Gate. And it looks like you are in a hotel lobby because this is one of the biggest lobby of the Tapos Gate Tower 1. And on the other side is the commercial, and later on I will bring you there also to the commercial. And this is the main receiving main room and the concierge. I will bring you now to the 10th floor amenity. And this is the second floor commercial area of the Tapos Gate. It's separate lobby because the commercial cannot access to the residential. So this is the second floor commercial area. Those are open for rental. And this area here are open for rental. So this is the second floor area because there is also the ground floor. If you familiar with the Belo Clinic, Belo is in here, and that is the biggest Belo in the whole Philippines. It's located here in Tapos Gate, and they are located on the ground floor of the commercial space of the Tapos Gate. And this has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for watching the video, and subscribe, share, and maybe you like the penthouse that we tour. Come and visit the penthouse, and maybe you can afford that and you will buy that penthouse. Thank you. God bless.
This is the kids play area. And this is the wrap-around view of the penthouse, and that's the penthouse that we check, that 3-bedroom penthouse. And this is the view outside, and that's the Cebu Business Park area, and yeah, the residential of the Cebu City. And that's the Cebu IT Park area. And I would like to bring you to the wrap-around video of this 3-bedroom penthouse. And this is the Sky Garden that we checked. And later on, this is the emergency exit here, emergency exit. And this is another penthouse, and I will show you the views of this penthouse. So this wrap around balcony is the common use by the penthouse owners, and that's the elevator access, and this is the Sky Garden. This is another penthouse, and this one is also another penthouse, and I will show you the other part of the penthouse. This is another penthouse, another Sky Garden of the penthouse, and that's the view. And this is another, the other end corner, and this one is the it's the same 3-bedroom penthouse, this one, and you have the view of Mactan Island. That's the Mactan Island, and the CCLX there, the Cebu Cordoba Third Bridge, and the South Road properties, the No Star, the Philly Hotel, and the SM City Cebu, and the Bayfront. And this is the wrap around of the penthouse, and I will show you the Mandani Bay. That's the Mandani Bay in Mandaue. So this is the other corner, or the other end unit of the penthouse, and I mean the penthouse level, because we checked the other penthouse, which is the 3-bedroom, and this is like the 360 wrap around view of the penthouse level. And on my separate video, I will take video of the 2 bedrooms, because the one that we check is the 3 bedrooms, and I'll show you. Yeah, this is the elevator, and this is the Sky Garden. This is the Sky Garden of the penthouse. And that's the Cebu IT Park, Cebu Golf Course area here, there, and that is the Mabolo. This is the Mabolo area, and the Cebu IT Park, Cebu Golf Course there. And I will go to the amenities, and I will show you the amenities. And let's go back to the Sky Garden of the penthouse. So this is the Sky Garden. And that's the Monterasas. If you're familiar with the Monterasas, that's the Monterasas in Guadalupe. I will go now to the Sky Garden. And currently we are now on the basement 1 parking of the Tapas Gate. This basement here is free parking, because this is connecting to the commercial. So I just want to show you a sneak peek of the parking. Because we have other basements, and the other basement is for the residential, other is for sale. This one is not for sale. Thank you. Bye bye.